Media vocabulary. These words describe characteristics of radio plays, a type of multimedia text. Sound effects. Sounds produced artificially for a radio production. Sound effects indicate settings and actions, city noises, the dropping of a book. Certain sound effects help create mood, the squeak of a rusty door, the screech of an owl. Actors' delivery. The ways in which actors speak their lines. Voices in a radio play need to be distinct so listeners know which character is speaking. A speaker's pitch, volume, and pacing take on even more importance in a radio play. Background music. Music that is not the focus of the performance. Background music can signal changes in scene or mood. Specific melodies might be used with particular characters or settings. The end.